Hey everyone, today is move-in day for my daughter in her college dorm, and so I thought I'd give you a quick tour of what we did and some of the organizational tips that we have for storing all of her stuff in a small space. Her bed area. So we hung Christmas lights and some twine, and she has family pictures and different verses that she liked to use last year in school. And she has a couple little drawers here that she keeps like pens and stuff in, things that she would need when she doesn't want to get out of bed to get them. If she was writing stuff, she has her Bible and her journal and a couple decorations and another family picture and a light, which is so essential when she's studying and stuff. And we also made a little curtain using this is a shower curtain rod and just a sheet that we cut so that she can have some privacy or go to sleep if the other girls are still awake. Next is her closet. Command hooks are her best friend. Right, Ryan? Mm-hmm. So this is her laundry bag. This is where she puts all her dirty laundry. It's actually kind of like a drawstring backpack. So she throws it on her back. She has to go down, this year she has to go down 3 flights of stairs to get to the laundry room. So having a little backpack to throw her laundry in and to bring her clean clothes up is helpful. And then on this side she has 2 hooks for her towels, and usually a bag goes there. Usually she keeps a bag. And she has, this is it. This is her closet space. She does have drawer space, but so having a shoe rack was a huge help because she has a lot of shoes. And then her boots we're just keeping down at the bottom. And then these, I don't even know what these things are called. What are these called? Do you know? Nobody knows? Okay. Well, anyway, space, yeah, closet space things. But this way she can keep all her jackets and coats on one and all her sweaters on one, and it doesn't take up that much room in her closet. She probably could have used several of them, but then the problem is you don't want them hanging too low. So she keeps her shower caddy and her flip-flops that she uses in the shower in here, and her laundry stuff is also in here. And then she also has a little step stool because some of her storage stuff is really high. And then she has this we got, I think, at Target or Walmart, I don't remember, last year. But she keeps her kitchen stuff in the top drawer. She keeps her girly products in that drawer, and then all her scarves go in the bottom drawer.